Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new release video. I am super excited to show you guys this week's new releases because we've had a lot of requests, especially for this art to come back. We have some new exclusive art, and all of this art this week is actually exclusive, which is super exciting. Another exciting detail is I'm almost caught up on filming my Plan With Me's. I have last week's Plan With Me to film, and then I'm gonna do 4 spreads in one, and I think I'm just gonna do like a too long didn't read type overview of those weeks. I was gonna do like a question and answers, but I just feel like that's a lot of work also, and I kind of like want to explain the weeks because I feel like a lot of things happened. I actually had probably one of the worst weeks of my life, but I feel better now, like I'm on a good track. So let's go ahead into the non-sticker, well, not I guess non-sticker, they are stickers, some of them are. So I told you guys that there are so many items in the 6-year bundle that I'm going to be bringing the a la carte over the next couple of weeks. So I think like I released actually a bulk of it last week, and then this week I'm releasing just 3 of the bigger items, just because I know like packaging wise, just to keep it a little bit easy, we're doing it that way. So I am going to be releasing the remainder of the Aura style pouches. So all of the items, I did do like a full like showcase of all of the items in the 6-year in a 6-year video where I revealed the bundle. There's a little plastic on the front there, but this is the pouch, and this will be for sale Wednesday at noon Eastern, the remaining pouches that we have left. I just think they're so pretty, so cute, and I love seeing you guys use these, and just so nice. And this matches the Pearl Cloud, so I do have some of those left for you guys if you want to pick those up. And then I also have a few of these Simply Gilded washies along with the Rose Color Days washies, and again, if you guys want to see these like rolled out, I do have that video up. But these are mixed metal overlay tapes, and then this is a mixed metal Stardust roll from Simply Gilded. And then we also will have the mixed metal wiggle up. So this is the clear wiggle. This did come in the 6-year, and it does have mixed metal items in here. We do have a mixed metal in this format in the shop right now, which is hollow and sparkly hollow, but this is gold and silver. It is our old mixed metal format. We might have like different mixed metals coming to the shop in the future. I don't know, maybe, but we'll see. I don't know how many there are of these, but I do know that like mixed metal is well loved in the shop. So we will have these up for Wednesday at noon Eastern. So that is all of the non-kit items. We do have some kits this week, which I'm super excited about, like I said. So let's go through, let me see. I think that all of these are in the old format. These have been done for a while, yes. Like the format with, not old, like, well, yeah, old format. It has the Munchkin freebie, so it has the old little things sheet. So that's something to note. But like always on the listings, we do have the pictures so you guys can see like what the format looks like. So I'm gonna go over this one first, and this one's called Carolyn. Based off of Carolyn, and you guys know I love Carolyn. Carolyn is just like, she's just entertaining, informational. Like, I just love her. I love her so much. And her planners are like the most extra, but the best. So this is called Carolyn, and this is exclusive art, and I am just so excited about this. And whenever I showed her, Carolyn was so excited. So there are the full boxes, and that is Carolyn right there, looking super cute. You have your my favorite page with the extra full boxes and the extra squared off boxes, half boxes, functional page, your icons and such, the little things page. Again, all of these have the old little things because they've been done for a while. And then you have the bottom washi page. The faux glitter throughout is like the colors in the kit, which is really fun. So it's like a pinky, purpley, grayish glitter. And then you do have the Munchkin head freebie. Like I said, this one has been done for a while. All of these have been done for a while. They're kind of like our reserve kits. We're gearing up for the craziness of August through December. So we're releasing some of these. Let's see. Then we'll go through the mini kit. So the mini kit has the full boxes, the old mini kit page, the functional, the deco, and then the bottom washi along with the Munchkin head freebie as well. I just love this kit. It's so pastel and pretty. I think it would look really good with lavender hollow, regular hollow, sparkly hollow, silver, or even gold would be really pretty, or rose gold. Honestly, any of the core foils, but also like sparkly hollow would be pretty, and like lavender hollow would be epic. There is also the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There is just like a different fashion girl option if you want to add that on. The glitter headers, which has the like faux like other glitter colors in there, and then also the label sampler if you want to add that on. Then we also have Glamping, which is so pretty. This is like exclusive art. I tampered with it a lot. It has some non-exclusive pieces that I like also recolored to match. This art's like old, but I just love the like revival of it with all the dark colors. And then you have the faux gold glitter throughout. It says Camp SBC. You have a girl here drinking hot cocoa. You have the little camping, all the camping supplies. I reformatted this a while ago, so just love these colors with the gold throughout. And I've just been waiting for the perfect time, and now's the time. And then you have the extra full box here with the owl, and then the fire with the glitter in it, and then you have the bottom washi, which has the plaid and the gold. The Munchkin had a freebie, and I think that this might have been a mystery kit from like maybe 3.5, I don't know, maybe 4 years ago, I don't remember. It also does come in a mini kit. There is also the option for the 15mm strip, the glitter headers, which has the gold throughout, and then the label sampler for that one. And then last but certainly not least, I've gotten so many requests to bring this back, and I had plans for a really long time to bring it back. I wanted to bring it back in like a more pastel colorway. I'll probably bring back like the brights maybe in a year or two, but I just thought like this is one of my favorite arts. The only thing is like whenever I had Jess recolor this for me, like COVID wasn't a thing, or at least it wasn't a thing like as a thing in America yet, and I was like, oh, I'm so excited to use this for the rodeo in March, LOL. So I did hold off putting it out, and I was just gonna hold off for even longer, but like COVID, I don't think it's going anywhere. I don't think carnivals are coming back anytime soon, so like, but everyone's still requesting it, so here we are. So this is the like new full boxes. I'm pretty sure that I like redid like every box for the most part. Maybe the double box is still the same, but I just kind of like moved things around. Obviously like my like kit style has changed, and I just love every single bit of this, and I love the like new colors. It still has the mixed metal silver and gold. Did it have mixed metal silver and gold throughout before? I don't know, but it does now, because I think this would be really pretty with mixed metal, but I also think it'd be pretty with like hollow or like a fun foil. There's a lot of options here. This is my new favorite page here, just super cute. And then these colors are really pretty. Again, obviously different from the old version, which was more brights. This is more of like pretty pastels. And then the bottom washi, so pretty. But I just love this. Munchkin had a freebie. Old Little Things sheet. Like I said, this has been done for a while. It also does come in a mini kit. Then there's also the option for the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then the glitter headers, which has the faux mixed metal throughout. So you have the fashion girls here, which are super cute, and yeah, you have a lot of skin tone hair color options. All of them are like fashion colors, but I think with this kit it like totally works and just makes it like even more fun and pretty and like kind of like not whimsical, but like, do you know what I mean? Like, because like the glasses, it just seems kind of like a carnival in a different world. So again, that is called Carnival. And then we have Carolyn, and then we also do have Glamping. I don't think I said the name of that, but I'm not sure. We also do have the mixed metal wiggle, which would be perfect with this kit here. We also have the mixed metal full box overlays, as well as the Simply Gilded Rose Color Days washis a la carte, and then we also have some of the Aura Style pouches a la carte. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like it. I'm very, very, very excited for this week, especially the Carnival kit, even though I know I'm not going to be able to use it till probably next year. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers. Cross our fingers, wear a mask. Let's talk to you guys in my next video.